Welcome to another CCTV setup guide from Securicam. In this video, we'll be installing a hard drive into a DVR.
The products we'll be using today are
An Apex series DVR, a hard drive, a small crosshead screwdriver, a SATA power cable, and a SATA data cable. So to start with, we need to take off the outer casing of the DVR using the two screws located on either side of the DVR box. So remove the outer casing. So attach the power cable and the data cable to the DVR. So we're going to insert the data cable into the hard drive and the power cable also. And place your hard drive into your DVR box. There are 4 supporting screws in the underneath, so locate the screw sockets to the hard drive and the DVR and securely fasten. What we'll then do is securely fasten the cover over the top, securing the screws to the side also. And that's how you connect a hard drive to a DVR. Thanks for watching this video by Securicam. To purchase our products, please visit www.cctvtech.co.uk or alternatively www.hdcctvcams.co.uk. For trade customers and installers, please visit www.tradecams.co.uk.